So in this video, I will guide you how you can link your bank account to Shopify. Now, what you need to do first is to make sure that your Shopify payments is completely set up. If not, you just need to click on complete setup and submit all of your business information and make sure that it is fully functional and active. So once you have activated Shopify payments, you just need to click on manage on the top right corner, and then what you need to do is to scroll down until you see payouts. Now this is where you can manage how and when you get your payouts. So what you need to do is to simply name the payout like Shopify, make sure that it is set default as Shopify. And then as for the payment schedule, this is where you can select when you're gonna receive your payouts to your bank account. Either you want to receive every day or after a month. Once you have selected that, you just need to also make sure to select this get notified by email every time you receive a payout. Then click on the save on the top right and you are good to go. So hope this helped. This is how you can link your Shopify to your bank account.